Did you know that OJ Simpson, who recently passed away, moved to the state of Florida to protect his assets upon receiving a $26 million judgment against him? When you hear about asset protection, you think about protecting your assets during your lifetime. But Florida law also provides benefits for asset protection upon your death. I'm Mitch Greene, a partner at Kramer, Greene, and for the last 35 years, I've helped business owners in various industries protect their businesses from unforeseen circumstances. If you're trying to protect your assets or business and need legal assistance, visit my website and schedule a complimentary consultation where I can walk you through your options. Let's go over these asset protection benefits after your death and how they work. First, we'll discuss Florida's homestead protection laws and how they work to protect your assets upon your death. Florida law promotes some of the most robust homestead protection laws in the United States. That is why OJ Simpson moved to the state of Florida upon getting hit with that $26 million judgment. One of the primary purposes of OJ moving to the state of Florida was so that he could buy an expensive home in Miami, which would be protected from his creditors. Florida law protects your primary residence from your creditors, which means it's available to your heirs even in the face of financial challenges. To qualify for Florida's homestead protection, you must be a legal permanent resident of the state of Florida and permanently residing in the home in which you're seeking the protection. Not only is your homestead protected during your lifetime, but upon your death, the homestead exemption can typically transfer to your surviving spouse and dependents. Additionally, creditors cannot force the sale of your home to satisfy debts, with the exception of certain creditors, such as your mortgage. Second topic I'm going to discuss is probate avoidance. Probate is a time-consuming and costly process which often results in delays in the distribution of assets to your beneficiaries. However, Florida law provides various ways in which you can avoid probate. For instance, assets held in a revocable trust can bypass the probate process, saving time and money for your beneficiaries. It is critical to note that for people like OJ Simpson, many of these asset protection strategies, such as revocable trusts, are not available due to the prior existence of creditors. Next, we'll discuss how Florida asset protection laws safeguard your various assets. Florida's asset protection laws safeguard certain types of assets from your creditors even after your death. Examples of assets that pass outside of probate and are protected from your creditors include life insurance policies, retirement accounts, and college savings plans like Florida's prepaid education plan and Section 529 plans. For that matter, OJ Simpson had a defined benefit plan from the NFL valued at over $4 million, which funds were protected from his creditors. Another way of avoiding the probate process and protecting your assets is through the titling of those assets. For example, life insurance policies, annuities, and your retirement plans have beneficiary designations. So if you designate a family member as a beneficiary under your life insurance policy, annuity, or your retirement plan, your beneficiary receives those assets, avoiding probate, keeping the protection that you had for those assets during your lifetime. The next item I'm going to discuss is privacy. If upon your death, your assets are transferred either through a revocable living trust or through titling by beneficiary designation, those assets pass directly to your beneficiaries, free of probate, free of court scrutiny, and free of access by the public. This can be particularly beneficial for families with high net worth or complex family relationships. The next question is, why should you take advantage of these Florida asset protection benefits? Florida offers a range of asset protection strategies that benefit you during your lifetime and upon your death. The state's laws provide a highly effective means of preserving your wealth while ensuring the efficient transfer of your wealth to future generations. At Kramer, Greene, we have assisted hundreds of clients, from medical doctors to business owners to real estate developers, protect their assets from judgment, creditors, and lawsuits. We understand that wealth accumulated over a lifetime can be quickly and irrevocably lost in lawsuits filed by creditors and the debt collection process. If OJ Simpson can find protection from his creditors, so can you. If you like the contents of this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel where you can get more videos on business law, asset protection, and estate planning. I'm Mitch Greene with Kramer, Greene. I'll catch you soon.